Exposing the magic in SEO. I will never look at a search bar the same way after learning this. Imagine you're opening a coffee shop. You want people to find you, right? Well, in the digital world, it's not about your physical location, but about your digital presence. That's where primary keywords come in. Picture this. Someone types "best coffee near me" into Google. If best coffee is your primary keyword and it's well integrated into your website, your coffee shop pops up at the top of their search results. Authority Solutions takes this concept and turbocharges it for your business. By identifying the optimal primary keywords, they help you rank higher, drawing more eyes and clicks to your site. It's not just about being visible, it's about being found by the right people at the right time. Now think about what keywords define your business. Are you using them effectively? If not, it might be time to rethink your SEO strategy. Remember, every great digital journey starts with the right keyword. So why not start yours today? Join us next time for more insights. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead in the game of SEO.